Good morning everyone. In today's video we will talk about prediction function. In this video we shall be discussing supply in the sense of what is offered for sale, output, product or prediction. While considering the supply of goods and services in the economy, we must take into consideration the input supplied for the prediction and resulting in output. Prediction in this way is defined as transformation of input into output. For example, the input of raw cotton, which is our raw material, labor, capital, capital results in production of cloth, that is our output. In the same way, input of land, labor, seeds, irrigation, fertilizers, machine and equipments results in production of wheat. The term production is also used to denote the production of both goods and services. Product or output here refers to volume of goods produced by a firm during a specified period of time. Volume of goods produced should be studied with reference to total product, marginal product and average product. We will discuss more about total product, marginal product and average product in detail in upcoming videos. So we can define production function as the functional relationship between quantity of goods produced and factor of production. According to Professor Watson, production function may be defined as the relationship between firm's physical output, firm physical production and the material factor of production. Basically, it is a relationship between input and output. In this way, production function reflect how much output we can expect if we have so much of labors and so much of capital as well as labor. In other words, we can say that the production function is an indicator of physical relationship between input and output of a firm. A basic relationship between input and output may be expressed as Q equals to F LCN. Here Q stands for quantity of output, F is functional relationship, L labor, C capital and land. So we can describe production function as quantity of output equals to functional relationship between labor, capital and land. Characteristics of production first is production function always reflects a particular period. It denotes the flow of inputs resulting in flow of output during a particular period of time. It is due to the fact that when the firm wants to increase the production, it can either employ some factor additionally or increase all the factors in accordance with the availability of time. Later we will discuss it as short period and long period in upcoming videos. Then we have second, we have it shows maximum output secured by combining the available technical knowledge with the factor of production. We have already discussed that production function is purely a technological relationship between input and output. It has nothing to do with price or value of quantity produced by them. Third is it reveals all the possibility of combination of different factors needed for purpose of production. Production function is necessary for a producer for knowing the quantity of different factor and their prices. Fourth is it explain about the relationship between physical inputs and physical output only. It did not mention the price of these unit. This we have already discussed. The production function can specify either the maximum quantity of output that can be produced by a given set of input or minimum quantity of input required for producing a certain level of output. Then fifth, we have the method of utilizing the inputs in production depends on technical knowledge. See, the quantity of inputs is dependent upon the state of technology available and firms' marginal availability to use them. In order to simplify things, the state of technology is considered to be given. And last, we have nature of protection function is determined by whether the factor of protection are completely divisible or indivisible. Constant return does not arise when the factor of protection are divisible. So that's all for today. We will talk more about protection function in upcoming videos. Thank you.